Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Azam, and in this small video I'm going to show you that how you can run Xcode previews directly previewing on your device. So this feature has been there for a very long time, but a lot of people don't really know about it. So that's why I'm covering it. Now, keep in mind that it doesn't work all the time, so you have to have a lot of patience for it to work, all right? And so this is the actual device. So I'm actually controlling the actual device over here. That's the actual iPhone. And yes, I have installed TikTok and Instagram just to mess with you guys. All right. All right. So let's get started. And you can see that I'm running it on the device. That's fine. But for the previews, I need to select that I'm going to be previewing on the actual device. So let's go ahead and click on that button. And there we go. I can select my phone. All right. Now it's going to take some time. And, it's going to install some app on my phone also. So you can see it's now saying previewing from the device. And now it's connected, If I make any change, so let's go and make a change. Let's say that if I go over here, I'll change that. What should I change? I don't even know. Let's say vegetables 2. There we go. You see that? It changes that. All right. Or if I go ahead and change probably the tint color to be red. Well, that didn't really do anything. Background to be blue. Well, there we go. See that? So on the actual device, you can see that it's happening to white. Now you're not going to see anything now. There we go. All right. So this is actually pretty cool. When it works, it's pretty cool because I have the actual device right in front of me. I can look at the device. I can look at the actual device at how it actually looks like without looking at the simulator. And, you can make those changes and it works fine. Now, sometimes you may have to run the app like multiple times. You have to build the app for this to work. But I think this is a pretty cool feature that you're typing your SwiftUI code and you're able to run it and view it on the actual physical device. All right, so you can actually do that. And there we go. We came back. And now, if I don't like it, I can go ahead and change it to whatever I want. All right, so definitely try it out. I think you're going to like this feature. When it works really nice. It's very, very good. And you can use it in your applications. So definitely try it out. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. And check out azamsharp.school.